Yes, this is Bill, and I've been going to PT Connections for a while now. At first, I was hesitant of going to physical therapy when my doctor ordered it because of my C1 and C2, C7 and 8, and lumbar stenosis along with cervical stenosis. And I didn't think, I've been to physical therapy a lot, um, and I didn't think it would do me any good. But once I got in here, the therapists, like Max and Stephanie, were wonderful. They put hands on, they knew where things, were bothering me. And then on top of it, I still was having a hard day getting through 3 or 4 12 hour, 3 4 day shifts. And so I took up Michael on the massage. And between the two, I've been walking so much better. My pain's relieved. Uh, they speak with each other and let each other know, where my pains are, what therapy I need to do, what stretches I need to do. They gave me abundance of stretches to work out. Some days certain areas hurt worse than the others, and I have pretty much a textbook of which they gave me that I could pick through for what pain is hurting me for that day. And I think that I'd probably be out on disability had I not come to PT Connections and also took up upon the massage. Both, both were very professional. Everybody that I've worked with has been very professional. And I highly recommend. Like I said, I've gone to other physical therapy places, and when I came here, they put hands on. They weren't afraid to actually put hands on my body and help me out doing trigger points and figuring out maybe what the next stretch I need to be doing. So I highly recommend them. Like I said, I've gone to other physical therapy places and they may put a heating pad on you, maybe a TENS unit, but that doesn't get deep down where your nerve pain is, or tendon, or even your muscle pain. So, as I was saying, I just highly recommend them, and if need be and I can, I will definitely come back to physical therapy connections for either my physical therapy needs or a massage need.